Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to really help reduce those fine lines and wrinkles, those marionette lines and the droopy mouth. We're going to do a great massage exercise and then finish off with the all-important lymphatic drainage. We then find that this will all soften if done over a period of time. So first things first, I like to start off with clean skin, and I am using a little bit of facial oil here. If you have a face cream or a hyaluronic serum, for instance, that's fine too. Just something so you've got kind of like a slip and glide. You really don't want to drag and pull at the skin, particularly if you're in your 50s and over and you're sort of losing collagen and elastin within the skin. So I'm just applying first of all to the fingers and then just gently from the jawline all the way up from the side of the mouth towards the nose, and then just gently by the cheekbones, at the ears, and just down by the side of the neck. So with the fingers first, I'm just starting with a little bit of gentle tapping from the jawline, and I'm working my way all the way up along those marionette and smile lines towards the nostrils here, side of the nostrils. Now what we're doing here is really helping with blood flow and circulation, just getting everything ready and going. So once we've done that, with the lips, we're going to just very lightly turn the corners of the mouth up, so we're lifting everything up rather than dragging everything down. Just a slight hint of a smile. And then with the fingers here, I'm just taking two, I'm just very gently gliding upwards towards the nostrils, from the jawline along the marionette lines, and then just massage either side of the nostrils. Now we can have quite a lot of tension in this area, and those marionette lines can actually start from this area. So we're actually just releasing any tight tension here. And then just glide under the cheekbones towards the ears. So now we're going to do the exercise. I'm going to place my hand, literally my fingers, all the way along where those potential smile and marionette lines would be. We're going to tuck our lips behind our teeth, and we're going to gently pulsate from the cheekbone area here to lift everything up from the lower part of the face without creating any more fine lines and wrinkles. And release, and again placing along, and it's just a gentle pulsing motion. And release. So now with the fingers, almost in a scissor shape, we're just going to glide along and back again. This is a nice, delicate, light touch. And then slowly work all the way along, up towards the nostrils. And then on the other side. And then again, remembering to keep that semi-smile here, and then placing my fingers, I'm lifting upwards and across. Again, up along those potential marionette lines. Remembering to keep the corners of those mouth slightly in a smiling position. Then with the thumbs placed under the chin, the fingers above, we just make a little hook. We're lifting upwards from the jawline, along those lines, towards the nostrils, and then under. Again, this is a nice, easy, light facial massage. And remembering to lift up the corners of the mouth here. Now I've got one last exercise before we finish our lymphatic drainage. It looks a bit strange, if you like, and a little bit funny. And you may want to do this in a mirror so you can actually see what you're doing. So we're going to open our mouth, we're going to take our tongue, and we're going to alternate it from side to side. And if you like, you can place your fingers along your marionette lines, those potential smile lines. We're going to lift the corners of the mouth up, and we're going to take our tongue and come side to side with the tongue. And release. And then again, lifting upwards and across with the hook of the fingers. Now with the fingers here, I'm using the flat of the hand. I'm now lifting upwards towards the nostrils and just very gently gliding along, feather-like touch. Now what we're doing here is moving toxins and waste within the lymph. Again, remembering to have that slight corner of the mouth turned upwards, not down. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be heavy-handed, just a nice, light, delicate touch. And then if you can take your fingers and almost make a V shape and place some fingers in front of the ears, some fingers behind the ears, and just very gently glide down either side of the ears, moving all the toxins and waste with those lymph nodes, and then glide down the big SCM muscle here, either side of the neck, down to the collarbone. And then where our collarbone is, just above, we have some indentations, if you like, and if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this facial lower part of the area to really help with those marionette smile lines and that droopy mouth into the body, ready for elimination. Now I will place another video here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and a thumbs up really helps the algorithm. And please comment down below. Tell me where you're from and any other facial massage exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.